I've discovered something pretty interesting about inviting your connections to follow company pages. And yes, I said that plural. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you a feature that you may not know about that you may want to take advantage of. But I'm also show you a feature that I don't quite understand. And I'm going to ask LinkedIn support to explain it to us. First of all, if you didn't know, as an admin of your company page, when you view it as a member, you do not have the ability to invite followers to your company page. Again, if you're an admin, you have to go back to view as admin, and here it is right here under admin tools. I can invite connections, and as an admin, you can invite a total of 250 across all admins, 250 per month. However, if I go over here, I am listed as an employee on my company profile as a SCORE mentor for North Carolina Piedmont Triad. I am no longer an admin of this company page. You can see I don't have the admin options here. But look right here. I have the ability to invite, and I can invite 30 people per month to follow this company page that I am an employee of. Now, that's the big difference here. This one, I'm an admin, Burriss Consulting, and this one I am not an admin. I am just an employee, and also have invite connections down here as well and help your organization grow right here. Now, but this is interesting. Look over here. Here's IBM. I'm not an employee of IBM. I don't have the ability to invite followers as I would expect. However, look at this company page. I am not an employee of Kendall Morgan Partners. I do know an employee there. By the way, I also know 23 employees at IBM. But this company page right here, Kendall Morgan Partners, again, I'm not an employee, never have been an employee. They only have 47 followers, but look under more. I can invite connections. And under more, I can invite up to 50. I did one and proved that it works. I don't understand why I have the ability to do that. Now let's look at another company page. Here's another company page, cybersecurity, got almost 80,000 followers. I don't know anybody here. I've never worked here. I do not have the ability to invite. The big difference between this and Kendall Morgan may be the number of followers. It may be the number of employees, but big picture is the number of followers. Let's look at another one. Here's a company, Painting with the Twist, 6,000 followers. I don't know anybody there. 2 people went to the same school I went to. Under more, I don't have the ability to invite. But now, again, the big difference might be 6,000 followers. Let's look at another one. Here's Amazon. Again, Amazon aligns with Microsoft. Even though I know 50 people there, they have almost 30 million followers. I do not have the ability to invite them to follow this page. But let's go to the other side again. Less than 2,000 followers. Yes, I do know someone there. The follow button doesn't make any difference. I've tested that numerous times. And I can hit more, and I can invite their connections. Invite under more, I can invite up to 50. And again, I did one to prove it works. And one more, let's look at another one. Here's Goodwill Industries. They have almost 3,000 followers. I do know 28 people there. If I hit more, there's the invite. And again, I can invite 50 per month to follow this page. One last one I tested. I originally made myself, I changed my LinkedIn profile, made myself an employee of Microsoft. When I did that, I had the ability to invite followers. Let me do it real quick. Watch this. I'm going to go view my profile. I'm going to, where is it? Add a profile section. Nope, I don't want to do that. I want to add a profile section. I want to add a position. I'm going to say, temp at Microsoft. Here it is here. I'm going to put it down here for current year. I'm going to hit save. No big magic. Hope it didn't broadcast. Pretty sure it didn't. Hit skip. Hit X. I don't want to tell them that. And if I come down here and look, you'll see there's where I'm the temp at Microsoft. And if I click on that, I hit more. I had to hit refresh, and there it is right there, invite. Really interesting. I have the ability to invite. Even though I didn't verify my email address as an employee of Microsoft until I do this. This is the Microsoft position. Delete it. Hit delete. I'm going to hit come out of this. I'm going to go to Microsoft. There's the company. Click on it. It still says invite because it's going to take timing. Let me hit refresh. And I no longer have the ability to invite because it now knows that I am not listed myself as an employee of this company. Bottom line, it is clear that you can invite people to follow your company page if you're an admin. You can also invite your connections to follow your company page if you're an employee of a page. There is something going on where you can also invite your connections to follow other LinkedIn pages. And I'm not sure what the criteria is. I've tested smaller companies I can invite connections to follow. I've tested large companies that I do not have the ability to invite followers to those pages. I'm going to send this video to LinkedIn support and find the answer, and I will put it in the comments on this YouTube video. Pretty interesting. Some of it's useful, some of it's intriguing. I hope it was helpful for you.